So I'm working on putting in a covered small patio type area on the slope as usual. Two layers of retaining wall blocks here with some rebar and steel rods driven through a few of the holes. I'm trying to fill in the voids with some concrete mix to turn it into one solid unit. And this will kind of define the lower edge of the future platform. Got this little retaining wall in, filled all the voids with cement mix after driving some rebar and steel rods through, so it shouldn't be going anywhere. And done this bit of a path here with pavers and some 4x6 timbers, and just using a lot of deadfall logs and rocks here to try and create sort of a berm on contour. And started to work this area down a bit. As I continue to remove dirt from there, I'll keep putting it on top of this area to fully lock it in a bit. Well, the frame is totally in, made out of that composite decking material. I got my sand bed most of the way there. Got a little bit more prepping on the sand, and I'll be ready to start putting my bricks in. Phase ones. Got the blocks and pavers laid in my frame after putting in sand and screeding it, and now I've got the voids filled up with dry concrete mix. Got the corners set, and got some sweeping up to do, and then I'll wet everything down real good a couple times. Just kind of been getting after it, not thinking about making videos as much, but it's coming along. I got the foundation done for my little shelter. More or less done. I may still mortar the floor one more time, and I still need to backfill the space between the wall and the slope. But otherwise, more or less ready to build my roof structure. Well, yesterday I got the 4 support posts put in and a good chunk of the roof framing put together. Those horizontal 2x4s are going to provide a little more rigidity to the structure, but then also I was able to kind of have the roof frame laying on there while I assembled it, and then raise it up to have the slope. So the framing is totally done now. All that's left to do is put the roof on. It'd be nice to just go with these metal panels straight onto the 2x4s, but I'm not so sure. Well, the Shanty project's basically done. Got 4 12-foot panels there, so the roof area is 12 by 12. The framing is like 11.5 by 11.5, so 3-inch overhang on the panels. Got this backfilled now. These are 12-inch blocks on the interior, so it's like a 6x6 space inside the walls. I've got this half picnic table type unit in there. Provides good shade, although towards in the morning and in the evening when the sun gets low, it does shoot sun through there. So, but it's almost 5 o'clock. It's still fully shaded. There's always at least some shady spot in here. back corners that possibly could hang something down off it to extend the shade a little bit. I at first considered doing an even larger roof, but I think that would probably just look goofy. It's kind of rock and log timber path through here.